In this video we are going to discuss why is a manhole elliptical in shape. Any opening in a pressure vessel is kept to a minimum, and for a man entry an elliptical hole is lesser in size than the corresponding circular hole. Moreover, it is prime concern to have a smooth generous radius at the corners to eliminate stress concentration. Hence other geometrical shapes like rectangle and square are ruled out. To compensate for the loss of material in the shell due to opening, a doubler ring has to be provided around the opening. The thickness of the ring depends on the axis length along the direction in which the stresses are maximum and the thickness of the shell. It is important to align the minor axis along the length of the vessel, as the stress in this direction is maximum. Longitudinal stress equals P multiplied with D and divided by 2 times T. Circumferential stress equals P multiplied with D divided by 4 times T. Where P is pressure inside the vessel, D is diameter of the arc, T is thickness of the shell plating. Moreover, a considerable material and weight saving is achieved as minor is along the direction of maximum stress.